me making Easter cupcakes! So, before we get started, let's wash our hands, which we've already done. And so we bought some cupcakes. We're going to put some icing on. So, let's go. Aiden, do you want to grab a... And also, if you're wondering who this is, it's my brother, Aiden. He's going to be decorating with us. He's so funny. Okay, Aiden, do you want to get a cupcake first? He can... So there's loads of different sizes. Whoa! But he can pick one. Okay, so these are... We're doing dots instead of the flowers. So Aiden picked one, so I'm going to pick this one. It's fun. So we've got some white fondant, and we are going to be getting like a ball, get a pinch out, and then we're going to be rolling it up. Nice and circly. Need some help? Oh, get some. Whose like is it? An igloo. Yeah, it looks like an igloo. Okay, you have to get more. So you just need to roll. Oh, I got it! Yeah, so what you're going to be putting that down, then getting two tiny pieces. That's why I put it on the side. Oh no, I forgot to put the grass on first. Whoopsie. So let's do the grass first before we do anything. Oh, forgot. Oh yeah, I love it. My brother literally is like a Hoover whenever he eats. See? Actually, before we put it in the cupcake, to just so it doesn't get dirty, take it out. No. What? Get that out. Get the cupcake out. What? So what we're going to be doing is making grass. I need to get some... You can also do this at home if you want to. And also I need to lick it. No, you don't. He said he has to lick it. No, just do this, what I'm doing. Like this, and look. So you just spread it around. Or also you could just do it like this, guys. Whoa! So, ooh, that looks nice, Aiden. Yeah, no, because I'm making a swirl. Since we woke up this morning, he was so excited to do this. Okay, Aiden, you done? Quick, hurry. Almost. Okay, so I'm done. So what we're going to do with this is just make it into a ball. Oh my god, this boy is obsessed with frosting. Then, at any side, you can make a little push, like a slipper. So, we're going to get a tiny pinch. Okay, with this, you're just going to circle it and make it... Wait, I have to do this. I'll just do this for him really quick. If you're wondering why we got vanilla frosting and it's not white, it's green, it's because we got some green food dye that we put in. Oh, so we got water there. So if you need help with the water, you're just gonna go down. Not too much. Don't put too much water. And always, if you need help with your brother, big brother or your big sister, how old are you, Ariana? You know, I mean 8, and I am 5, so... No. And I know how to do that. No, I don't. Okay. So, that's why we're doing him upside down. Because he's digging for a special Easter egg, and if you want, you could do a flower. So you get a tiny piece if you made the body too small, but and if you made it too big, you can make it big. So you have to put some water all over the ball. Then the decimal coconut, you have to dip it in. Oops. Oh, there's too much water. It's fine. It's fine because you're just putting decimal. Move it around slowly and delicately so the ball doesn't break or gets ruined. And if it does, some of it, if the water dries up, just go and keep it in there. My brother, there you go. Your tail's down. Maybe you have to put. Oh yeah, I remember. You have to put a tiny bit of water on the bottom and stick it. Alright guys, so just get a tiny pinch of your fondant and just roll it, put it down, push it, and then just put it in your flower. Make 5 petals and put it down. Alright guys, so we finished them. They look so good. Aiden.